No, it's not.
Oh, it's starting to rain.
I don't feel any rain.
I do. Maybe I'm just losing my mind.
I felt one. I felt two.
Maybe it's birds peeing.
I'd say bats.
I felt one too.
Jamming.
Yeah, it's starting to rain.
God.
Yes.
Did you see that?
Yeah, no.
Okay, it's starting to rain a little bit more now. I can feel them on my legs.
I don't care.
I'm sitting out here in the rain watching.
I will too, I swear. Get soaking wet.
Oh, now I feel one.
I can't. If they're doing it this good, I can't wait for the finale.
Yeah, it will be. I think they still do it better out there where we used to. They rock it.
I love that. It's so bright.
My whole camera turned red. It's not doing it no more. Derek had to put his hand in the way.
People are getting up because it's raining.
Stop it, Drina.
Look at that.
That's cool.
Drina, sit down, please. Stay sat down. You can't get people's way.
Are you serious? I was trying to figure out why I couldn't see it. I was covering it up with my. Who was that? Oh, hi, Gracie. Hi.
Now let go. Oh, the bag is very fluffy, but now it's Tell him to let go. I can't. You gotta give me a hug. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day, man.
Bye.
See you.
Bye, Abby.
Hi, Karen.
Well, just hold it.